Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little clean with me. We're starting off here in the living room. As you can tell, I have a little bit of a mess. We've been super busy again, so let's just jump right into it and get started. We ran across this little Mario game and we didn't want to move the built-ins to plug it into our TV, so we just plugged it in this little tiny TV computer monitor right here, and we've been playing it for a couple days, but we'll have to find somewhere else to put it because obviously it can't stay there. But comment down below if you love that old Mario Brothers game. That's one of my favorites and I'm really good at it. Seems like all the baskets in my house become like a little catch-all for everything. Does that happen to y'all or is it just me? I know y'all have heard me mention this before, but if you see this in the Dollar Tree, grab it because they sell out fast and it's a really awesome glass cleaner. My sweet daughter Jordan picked this up for me at the Goodwill. I think she has my taste pretty down pat.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and
So I'm not really loving this little plant here. So as you're going to see, I'm going to go through a couple things, trying to find something to go here that I like, but I end up not really finding anything. So I'm going to be on the lookout for something to go in this little spot because I just feel like it's a little too bare. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just trying to figure out something to go in this little spot right here. So this thing I have plugged in right here is called an Aroma 360, or there's also another name for it. I think it's Hotel Collection. But yeah, I got this thing off Amazon and it's one of my favorite buys. They are kind of expensive, but here's the little scents that go with them. I think this is the pumpkin one. Yeah, this one smells really good. And some of them are supposed to smell like luxury hotels, but the pumpkin one that I'm burning right now smells so good. My whole house smells like pumpkin spice. I would recommend this, even though they are a little pricey, it's worth it. There's another one that when I first got it, I purchased. It was called My Way. It smells so good. That was one of my favorites. One thing I can't stand is seeing cords hanging around, so Sometimes you might notice I'll throw a little basket somewhere to hide a cord. That's just my thing, y'all. If you have any ideas or tips on how to hide cords better, please let me know down below.